Hi everybody, this is Lindsay from Winding Road Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do the linked double crochet stitch. If you like the tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Before we get started, I just wanted to compare the double crochet versus the linked double crochet. So we have the linked double crochet up here, and we have a regular double crochet here. And as you can see, the regular double crochet has some gaps in between the stitches. It also has a really good amount of stretch, which is great for certain projects. The linked double crochet is linked together so that you don't have those gaps between your stitches, and though it does have some stretch, it doesn't have as much as the regular double crochet. This stitch works great for blankets that you don't want to have holes in it like a baby blanket, or for, say, a bag that you don't want it to be stretching out of shape as much. The other thing I did want to point out to you is that the gauge is a little bit different. So if you switch a project from double crochet to the linked double crochet or vice versa, your gauge will be just a little bit different. So to get started, I chained 12. I'm using a size I crochet hook and worsted weight yarn here. And you can chain any number you want, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to work in the second chain from the hook, and I'm going to actually work my double crochet into the third chain, but first put your hook through the second chain and pull up a loop. We're going to basically link ourselves to our turning chain. Then working into the next chain, I'm actually going to work into the back bump. I'm going to pull up another loop, yarn over, and complete your double crochet. There you go. So that's going to be how we do the first double crochet of the row. Now on normal double crochet you would yarn over. In this one we're going to do something a little different. Instead we're going to push our hook down through this middle bar that's created on our previous stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. This is basically going to link us to our previous stitch, eliminating that gap. From here, we will go into the next chain, pull up a loop, and complete your double crochet like normal. Let's do that one more time. We're going to go down through this middle bar, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You want to make sure you pull up the loop. You're not using the middle bar. Go into the next chain, yarn over, and complete your double crochet. I'm going to finish this row and we'll take a look at it from the beginning of a row again on the next row. So here I completed the first 12 linked double crochets. Now we are going to chain 2. Now I do not count my chain 2 as a stitch, it's my personal preference. We're going to go into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. We are going to go into the first stitch of this row, pull up a loop, and then complete our double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now to make our linked double crochet again, go through that middle bar, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, and complete your double crochet. A little tip for working this, especially on small projects, I actually find it easier to turn my work sideways, and then when I go through that middle bar, it almost feels like I'm pulling up a loop out of a stitch. And it just feels a little more comfortable to me. So that might work for you as well. But that's it. That's how you do the linked double crochet in order to get rid of the gaps that a normal double crochet would create. I hope you liked this tutorial. Make sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for other stitch tutorials as well as full pattern tutorials.